Start. In India, democracy can be a success only when the Indian women are politically awakened. This awakening cannot be an isolated problem. It requires some changes in social structure which will make it possible for the woman to enjoy as important a place as man. In addition, they should be made free to express their opinion, to act as they like, and to be associated themselves in all fields of life. But due to our customs and traditions, they are made to be unimportant in our society. The parents have, when a female child is born, they feel the child is a burden to them. They also feel that any investment made in them for education is a sheer waste. Nowadays, the parents are very much eager to know whether the child is a male or a female when it is in the womb of the mother. If they feel it's a female, they are even prepared to kill the child when it is in the womb of her mother. Under such circumstances, it is not possible for any human being to develop her personality properly. If we want women to be participated in the working of democracy, it is necessary that their living conditions will have to be changed. To bring these changes, mere laws will not be sufficient. The attitude to men cannot be weeded out till women face challenges and start playing an important role in the society. The future of India depends on the children. One of the most important responsibilities of women is that they should try to mold their children in such a manner that they become good citizens of the country. For this purpose, they will have to be properly educated. In order to make them to be educated, free education to the women should be introduced till degree level. A definite percentage of reservation should be created both in the field of education and in securing employment. They should not restrict their lives only to their homes. They will have to spare sometimes for their children who are the future of the nation. It does not mean that they are just to teach them the books which they read at school. They will have to inculcate the proper values of human life. Women are most suitable to play such a role because they will have lot of patience which is necessary for handling a child and the emotional touch which is necessary to work into the affections of the child. This role will be possible only when the size of the family is small, because without doing so, it will not be possible to educate the children properly. In addition to this, if the population explosion is to be contained, it will save the country from number of problems like employment, unemployment, scarcity of food, and improvement in the living conditions. Gone are the days when people are used to think that man is for the outside world and woman only for the hearth. In fact, if she is exposed to be outside world, she will be playing a more important role in the society. Women will be able to deal with the problems more successfully as they have sense of justice and consideration for the sufferer. It has been seen that women have proved to be better judges because they do not become mechanical in their outlook and ruthless in behavior. Even in the political sphere, as we all know, they are a great success because they look at the problem in a more balanced manner than men can. Dear sir, we thank you for your prompt reply in response to our advertisement. We have carefully gone through your letter and considered the points raised by you. We have great pleasure in appointing you as our sole agent for South India. We fervently hope that your long experience in the field of activity will be valuable and will lead to an extension of our business in South India. We have decided to extend the scope of our operations. At present, we are dealing only with the sale of electrical items. The directors at their last meeting stated that it would be advisable to include electronic goods in our list of products. Therefore, you will have an opportunity of developing the new line of our business. It is noticed from your application that you are well qualified to deal with the two branches especially. Since you understand both manufacturing and the commercial aspects of the business, price lists and catalogs will be provided by the firm at free of charge. Any suggestions from you for improving the sales will be highly appreciated. Considering your long experience in this field of activity, we are interested to appoint you as our agent. Hope you would accept our terms and conditions of offer to act as agent. We enclose herewith a copy of the agreement. Looking forward to the pleasure of receiving a positive reply from your end at an early date. Yours faithfully.